Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a navbar overlay effect in Xtheme. So this is the sample site. As you can see, we have here a transparent navbar. The navbar is not fixed, so let's replicate this in X. So my current setup has a fixed navbar. We'll just unstick this first, or select a static navbar. So under theme options, we go to header, navbar position, static top. Let's save that. Let's go back to our page. So let's open up this page in Cornerstone. In X, by the way, this needs a custom CSS. So the first thing we need to do is inspect our navbar in using the browser tools. So to do that, you right click on the navbar and click on inspect. So here's the navbar class. As you can see, it has a white background, it has a border and box shadow. Let's just grab this block of code, copy, and paste it in content CSS. We don't need the transform or modify the transform declarations here, so let's delete that. And for the border, we need that to be 0. Background color transparent, and box shadow to none. We don't need a box shadow, we just need a clean transparent background, navbar background. So here it is now. The next thing we need to do is we add our slider here. In the sample site, they have a background video here, so let's add that. So we select our slider, and we need to use the slider below the masthead. So just select slider here, click save, and let's reload the builder. So the last step here would be to apply a negative bottom margin to the navbar, or apply a negative top margin to the slider container. So because we have already the navbar CSS in the content CSS, maybe let's try a negative margin for the navbar. So margin bottom, let's try a negative value here. So this is the one we need. So the items here, because we have a dark background, we need also to modify this text or the navbar links right here. So to do that, we need to grab the navbar class. So let's grab the selector here for the all of the navbar links. So here it is. We grab that. Oops, we copied everything. And we change this to white, color white. So let's check. It's white now. Let's just check the current color. So here it is. It has a current menu item class. Just copy this and just, replace li with the class current menu item. So copy that, place that after the dot, and maybe change this to gold because it's the current color here. So you need to change the hover also. For the logo here, it must be a light image. So for the hover, let's just copy this block of code and then put in the hover pseudo. So maybe for the hover, maybe yellow for the hover. Let's save this now. And for the image here, let's change this to logo first. Oops. So you need to go to theme options. Go to header and we'll select a light logo. So let me just pick a light logo here. So here's an example of a light logo. So insert this to post. It's too big, so let's change this maybe to 200 pixels. And there you have a transparent navbar overlay.